In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Google Chrome not opening in Windows. If Chrome is not launching, when you click on it, one simple fix is to create a fresh shortcut from the original application file. Sometimes the shortcut you've been using becomes broken or stops pointing correctly to Chrome, and this quick method can help solve that problem without changing any of your browser data. To begin, find the Google Chrome icon on your computer and right-click on it. From the menu, click Open File Location. This will take you to the folder where the Chrome shortcut is currently stored. In some cases, you may be taken to another shortcut first, so if needed, repeat the same action until you reach the actual Chrome application file. Once you see Chrome in the folder, click on it once so it becomes highlighted. After that, rename it slightly by adding a number at the end of the name. You're not changing anything major here, just making a small edit so Windows refreshes the file reference. After typing the new name, confirm the change, and if a permissions window appears, click Continue. You may need administrator permission for this part, and that's completely normal. When the rename is done, right-click on the Chrome file again. If you're using Windows 11, click Show More Options to open the classic context menu. This is where you'll see the full list of actions available for the file. From there, click Send To, and then choose Desktop to create shortcut. Windows will immediately place a new Chrome shortcut on your desktop. This new shortcut often works properly, even if the old one did not, because it links directly to the updated application file. Now, go to your desktop and try opening Chrome using the new shortcut. If the browser launches normally, then the issue was most likely caused by the old shortcut being damaged or outdated. You can keep using the new desktop shortcut and remove the old one later if you want to avoid confusion. As a quick tip, make sure you click the newly created shortcut on the desktop, not the older one you may have used before. That way, you're testing the updated path correctly. That's it for this fix. It's a simple method, but it can be very effective if Google Chrome is not opening in Windows. Hopefully this helps you get the browser working again quickly and easily.